the make, model, and a year of your bike, please.
This is a Yamaha R1 2004.
Okay. How long you been riding?
3 months.
3 months. So this is your first bike?
Second.
Second bike? Did you buy it used or new?
Bought it
Used. Somebody local?
yeah, pretty low.
Pretty local in Virginia, Maryland,
Yeah,
DMV
Maryland,
area?
Maryland.
Okay. So why this bike versus a different brand, like a Suzuki or a Honda brand?
I've always loved Yamaha.
Okay.
I kind of grew up. My uncle had an R1
Okay.
expert bike, same color.
So some influence by your family
Yeah.
members, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they had a same bike. What's your riding style?
My riding.
Do you like highways, twisties? What do you like?
I like highways.
You like highways?
Love highways.
Okay. What's your plan with the bike? Have you done anything since you bought it?
I haven't done anything.
So it's basically once you got it, this is how it came?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna keep the bike for a while? Are you gonna what is your plan?
Maybe for a little bit longer.
Okay.
And I think I'll probably either sell it and get a new one, or
What do you want to get? Tell us, tell the users what's your plan?
I don't know. I've been looking at the GX10Rs.
Okay.
Really like that bike. I got a couple friends that have them. So.
Okay. Well, tell me what do you like about your R1? It's an awesome bike, and you know they're going to be discontinuing it.
Yeah.
You know that, right? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So are you going to keep this, or when you get another bike, you want to sell it and then?
I haven't made. I don't know that decision.
Okay, you don't know.
I guess when it comes.
When it comes closer to that decision, then you will decide what you want to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So tell me about your bike, your experience, handling, and stuff like that for the users. I know you're a brand new user, but you already went with the R1. Why right away did you jump?
So I had my first bike was an R6.
Oh, it was. Okay. Then it's fine.
It's a great bike. It's still not really a starter bike, but
Yes.
I like to advance pretty quickly.
Oh, good,
So
good.
I ended up upgrading to this one, and then I never looked back.
You never looked back.
Yeah.
Whew. All right. Awesome. Nice meeting you. Just last question. Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here a bunch of times.
Do you know about Bikes and Breakfast?
I do not.
There's an event called Bikes and Breakfast. It happens every Sunday.
Okay.
You can go to a website called Bikes and Breakfast. They have it in Virginia, Maryland, DC, lots of different places. So it's a bigger event than this. All bikers, and it's Bikes and Breakfast. No cars. So all bikes. So you can check it out. It's usually in the morning, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning. All right? Nice meeting you, bud.